Hello and welcome to UPSC Quiz, an initiative started by mediacell. In this video, we will discuss the answer and the explanation of the questions we posted on our Instagram handle, the link of which is in the description box below. So let's get started with our first question. Consider the following statements. Jet stream occurs in the northern hemisphere only. Only some cyclones develop in eye. The temperature inside the eye of a cyclone is nearly 10 degrees Celsius lesser than that of the surroundings. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? And your options are 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 2 only, 1 and 3 only. And the correct answer is C, that is 2 only. Jet streams are a narrow band of high altitude strong winds present in both northern and southern hemisphere. They generally travel from west to east and maintain boundaries between hot and cold air masses. A cyclone is any low pressure area with winds spiraling inwards. Cyclones are of two types, tropical and extratropical. Tropical cyclones are formed over the warm ocean water near the equator. Warm moist air near the surface of the ocean rises upwards. This creates a low pressure area near the surface called the eye. This results in the movement of cooler air from surrounding areas into the low pressure area. Statement 3 is wrong as temperature in the eye is higher than its surrounding. Extratropical cyclones are formed due to polar front theory and do not have an eye like tropical cyclone. Therefore, statement 2 is correct. Why are dewdrops not formed on a cloudy night? And your options are A. Clouds absorb the radiation released from the Earth's surface. B. Clouds reflect back the Earth's radiation. C. The Earth's surface would have a low temperature on cloudy nights. D. Clouds deflect the blowing wind to ground level. And the correct answer is B. Clouds reflect back the Earth's radiation. The clouds receives insolation in form of small wave solar radiation from the sun during the day and heats up. However, during the night, the earth loses its heat in the form of long wave infrared radiation. On a cloudy night, this outgoing radiation is blocked, heating up earth's surface, causing condensation as seen in the form of dewdrops. Thus, statement 1 is wrong as clouds do not absorb radiation but block it. Consider the following statements. Most of the world's coral reefs are in tropical waters. More than one-third of the world's coral reefs are located in the territories of Australia, Indonesia, and Philippines. Coral reefs host far more animal phyla than those hosted by tropical rainforest. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 and 2 only, 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. And the correct option is D, that is 1, 2 and 3. Coral reefs are most commonly found at shallow depths in the tropical water, but deep water and cold water corals also exist on smaller scales in other areas. With reefs like Great Barrier Reef, Australia, Indonesia and Philippines have more than one-third of the world's coral reef. Coral reefs have more diversity than tropical rainforest. Occupying less than 1% of the ocean floor, coral reefs are home to more than 25% of marine life now. With extremely high productivity and biodiversity, they are called the tropical rainforest of the oceans. If you travel by road from Kohima to Kottayam, what is the minimum number of states within India through which you can travel, including the origin and the destination? The options are 6 states, 7 states, 8 states, 9 states. And the correct answer is 7 states. The minimum distance from Kohima, that is in Nagaland, to Kottayam, that is in Kerala, has to be calculated. We need to cross Nagaland, that is the origin state, followed by Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and then either Tamil Nadu or Karnataka to Kerala. Thus, minimum states are 7. Consider the following statements. The winds which blow between 30 degree north and 60 degree south latitudes throughout the year are known as westerlies. The moist air masses that cause winter rains in the northwestern region of India are part of westerlies. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? And the options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. And the correct answer is B, that is 2 only. Westerlies are permanent surface winds flowing between 30° and 60° on both sides of the equator. They are called westerlies because they flow from west to east. Therefore, statement 1 is wrong. In winter months, northwestern region receive rainfall due to western disturbance over Mediterranean Sea. Westerlies helps in transporting these disturbances over the Himalayan region, causing rainfall. Rabi crops of northwestern region are highly dependent on such rains. Thus, statement 2 is correct.
Variations in the length of daytime and nighttime from season to season are due to the Earth's rotation on its axis, the Earth's revolution around the Sun in an elliptical manner, latitudinal position of the place, revolution of the Earth on a tilted axis. And the right answer is D, revolution of the Earth on a tilted axis. Earths rotate on a tilted axis. Earth's rotational axis makes an angle of 23.5 degree with the normal, that is, it makes an angle of 66.5 degree with the orbital plane. Orbital plane is the plane of Earth's orbit around the Sun. Earth also revolves around the Sun in 365 days. Because of both a tilted axis and revolution around the Sun, each part of Earth receives different sunlight depending on the time of the year.